and welcome to this math tutorial. Now our task in this question is to prove that 1 over x equals to 1 over y plus 1 over z if parenthesis 2.381 raised to the power of x equals parenthesis 0.2381 raised to the power of y equals 10 raised to the power of z. Alright, so what I will do first is I'm going to set this equals to 10 raised to the power of z. And I'll do the same thing with 0.2381 raised to the power of y. Okay, so let's have our solution. So we're given parentheses 2.381 raised to the power of x equals to parentheses 2.32381 raised to the power of y equals to 10 to the power of z. So now I can say let 2.381 raised to the power of x equals 10 to the power of z. Now to get rid of our x, then I'm going to multiply the powers on both sides by 1 over x, so that this will be parentheses 2.381 raised to the power of x times 1 over x. This will be equals to 10 to the power of z times 1 over x. So x will cancel x, and this becomes 2.381 equals to 10 to the power of z over x. So now let me box this because we're going to come back to this. All right, then I'll do the same thing with this guy. So now let 0.2381 raised to the power of y equals to 10 to the power of z. Again, I'm going to get rid of power y, and to do that I'm going to multiply the powers on both sides, by 1 over y, so that this will be 0.2381 raised to the power of y multiplied by 1 over y equals to 10 to the power of z multiplied by 1 over y. So this y will cancel this y, and then this becomes 0.2381 equals to 10 to the power of z over y. So now I'm going to box this again. Now let's look at the two equations. For 10 to the power of z over x, the value is 2.381. And while for 10 to the power of z over y, the value is 0.2381. Now, it should be noted that 2.381 is the same thing as 10 multiplied by 0.2381. Very important. From 2.381, this guy, from 2.381 equals to 10 to the power of z over x. And I said this is equals to 10 times, that is 10 multiplied by 0.2381 equals to 10 to the power of z over x. Now 0.2381 is equals 10 to the power of z over y. So then we have, this will be 10 raised to the power of 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of z over y equals to 10 to the power of z over x. Alright, so combining this will be 10 to the power of 1 plus z over y equals to 10 to the power of z over x. I just use this property, a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n, which is one of the properties of exponent, equals to a raised to the power of m plus n. Okay, so in this case, this will be, now we have base are equal on both sides, so this will reduce to 1 plus z over y equals to z over x. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by 1 over z. Okay, multiply both sides by 1 over z. So this will be 1 over z multiplied by 1 plus 1 over z multiplied by z over y equals to 1 over z multiplied by z over x. So that this will be 1 over z plus z will cancel z. So this will be 1 over y and this is equals to z will cancel z, so we'll be left with 1 times 1, that will be 1. 1 times x, that's x. So therefore, we have 1 over x to be equals to 1 over y plus 1 over z. So we just proved that 1 over x is equals to 1 over y plus 1 over z. The noblest pleasure. Very fun.